Mahilig ka ba maglaro at gusto mo rin pumayat at the same time? Try mo tong fitness RPG. For every steps, mako-convert yung steps mo ng power. So, you will use that power to level up your players. Yan, nakasulat dyan, 35 steps pa lang. Makikipaglaban muna tayo sa ibang players. Ayan, tingnan nyo. Ayan. Yung nasa right side, yun yung kalaban. Ako si Manila. Kalaban ko, Korean ata yan eh. Pero anyway, yung power level ko 629 na. Yung Korean na lang is 506 o 509. So ayan, naglalaban sila. So may enhancement ka dyan, weapons, yung power level mo, skills, ability. Lahat yung libre. Walang bayad yung mga yun. So, kailangan mo lang maglakad para ma-achieve yan. Wala palang bayad tong app na to, pero meron silang premium kung gusto nyo magbayad for additional power level steps. Check natin yung sync sa Google Fit ko. Ayan o, 35 din. Doon sa game, 35 din. So, dyan niya kinukuha yung power level. So, yun na nga. Ipunin mo yung power level mo to buy items, level up. And that's it. Have fun and stay fit. Thank you for watching. Sana magkita tayo dito sa laro na to.